This is an automatic spool welding system. The system includes headstock positioner, support rollers, operator console, torch handling system, rail to move the torch handling system from one joint to the other. The setup shown here is for a pipe of 350 mm diameter with an edge preparation of 30-degree bevel angle on each side, root face of 1.5 mm and a root gap of 2 mm. The torch handling system has a simple and easy arrangement so that the torch from different processes can be fitted with ease. In this system we have TIG and MIG torch. Power sources for both the process is included in the system and it is placed on the base of the torch handling system itself. The control panel has all the controls which are needed to do a successful weld. It has touchscreen HMI, oscillator controller, arc voltage height controller, cold wire feed controller, switches and start-stop controls, oscillator setting, wire feeder setting, arc voltage setting, welding parameters. Manual adjustment provided for fine adjustment of the torch. At any given point of time, the LCD panel will indicate the progress of the weld, indicating the percentage of weld completed and the time taken. This is the penetration after the root run. Please note that perfect fitment is required to get consistent welds. Now the torch can be replaced by an FCAW torch and FCAW welding can be done on the same system.